Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I really wanted to test out the Belle Jorden and Makeup Obsessions palette. I've been wanting this palette for a really long time and I've had it for quite a bit and just never got around to using it and testing out. So today I felt was the day to do so. So if you want to see how I got this look, what shadows I used, and what I think about the palette, please keep on watching and stay tuned for the end so I will let you know what I think about it. So I'm going to go in with the Sagittarius and I'm going to apply this onto my crease area. So I'm just buffing that up pretty high and into the inner portion of my brows. I really like doing this. Now I'm going to take a little bit of hot sauce and also apply this into my crease, but I'm going to bring it just a little lower. So taking this hot sauce shade, I'm pretty much just applying this on the outer V of my eye. And then what's ever left over on my brush, I'm just slowly blending it into the inner portion. So I'm also going to apply Mama's Girl all over the inner portion of the lid. So I think I want to add AF on top of that, but I'm just going to use my fingers. This is super pretty. So I'm pretty much just going to keep this shadow just on the first half of my eye. I'm going to apply a little bit of Glow Baby into my inner tear duct. I'm also going to add a very small amount of that same shadow to the highest point of my brow bone. Going to use this LA Splash to create a wing. So I'm going to add a little bit of black liner into my waterline. I'm going to apply a little bit of So Cute on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a very small amount of 13 and really bring this really close to my lower lash line, just so it'll blend together with that black eyeliner. And give it a little bit more drama. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this Essence highlighter onto my nose. I'm going to highlight my face with this Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter in Gravitron. I'm just going to apply this onto my cheekbones. I think I want to add a little bit to my brow bone area also. I'm going to go in with this Paaarty blush from Tarte. Just apply a very small amount onto the apples of my cheek. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with Morphe Sweet Tea, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of this liquid lipstick from Maybelline in Driver. So this is the completed look. I did go ahead and apply a darker lip liner on my lips. I went in with Morphe's Bite Me lip liner just to darken up a little bit and add a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb just for a little bit of gloss. But overall with this palette, I really did like it. I thought the shadows performed really well. It's such a beautiful palette. You guys know that I was super excited when I got this, and I just figured today was the day to try it out. It just has such beautiful blendable tones. All of the shadows really pigmented. I did feel that this shadow right here, AF, needed to go on with your fingers. I did try using a brush. It didn't really go on well, but with your fingers, this went on really, really nice. And I think out of this entire palette, I used 7 eyeshadows, so everything went on really, really nice. No complaints at all. I actually had no fallout. I did put a little bit of powder underneath just because I wasn't sure, and I wasn't sure what colors I was going to use, so I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to ruin my base. But yeah, I was really happy with this. Let me know if you guys want me to do more tutorials using this palette, because I have another look in mind after using it and seeing how the shadows perform. I do have another idea for a look for this, so let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.